step into the Kia 2016 Forte EX. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, CD player, MP3 decoder, radio, AM/FM CD MP3/Sirius XM audio system, air conditioning, rear window defroster, power steering and power windows. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.